Hey, this is Cameron. Welcome back to the Busy Gardener channel. Today we're doing something kind of fun. We're doing a photo shoot with Corona tools. For tools in their catalog, thought it might be fun. Let's get busy. So I have used Corona tools for a number of years. I remember buying some at Home Depot years ago and feeling very proud to have a quality set of pruners. So I've used them over time. I've used some other brands as well, and kind of keep returning back to Corona, to Felco, and use those regularly in my orchard. Something that I've done is started following Corona tools on Instagram, and that's where I connected with Chris, who handles all of their online marketing, social media stuff. And so anyway, we were talking, I was on their Corona Tools podcast, talking about backyard orchard stuff. Something that he asked recently, he says, hey, we're needing to shoot some new photos. Are you open to having us come and take photos of these tools in use in your orchard, because they're looking for, places that have fruit. And we've got so many options here, things that have fruit for some of their snips and for their pruners and loppers and all of those things. And so we said, yeah, that sounds like fun. So we're taking this morning to go through and find places that are going to look good for the loppers. Michelle and I both are going to be the hand models using the stuff. And I brought my werewolf hands. You see the fur on there? And so, yeah, looking forward to doing that. How do you say your last name, Chris?
Sabarese.
Sabarese, not Sabarisi.
The Italian pronunciation is Sabarese.
Sabarese. Okay. Yeah, so I'm here with Chris Sabarese. Sabarisi. Sabarese. From Corona Tools. And so what are we doing here today with this photo shoot?
This is one of the best things that I do at Corona, is actually make sure that we have images of all of our products. People want to see the products and how they're being used, what to use them on, and how to use them correctly. So Cameron has graciously let us come out to his orchard here and shoot some of our tools so that people can actually see them. And we post these online, we post them in our catalog, and this is just a lot of fun.
Yeah, this is fun. It's, the trees got a chance to get all dolled up. You might see some of these trees making a cameo. And it is nice to have some variety of different things that need to get pruned out here. We were just on that plum tree, then we went over to the blackberries, and we were on the nectarine over here and the Asian pear. And so it's nice to be able to come, as opposed to just going to like a orange orchard or orange grove or whatever, having just a ton of variety to showcase that, because
that's one of our biggest challenges, finding a location where you can get all these varieties of different things. So this is fantastic.
Yeah, so we're going to be, we were just doing the loppers and getting some kind of the heavier gauge trees. And then I guess we're going to be doing some like orange snips and maybe some of that stuff, like some of the fruit harvesting tools, which is, sometimes it's having the right tool. So it's interesting, the whole gamut of tools that Corona has available, and really anything anybody would need to make their job easier in the orchard or garden.
And you get to try out a bunch of stuff while we're here.
Hey, that's cool.
This is cool.
It's interesting how they've got so many different sizes of tools. They've got so many different things. And usually, when you buy a tool, you're kind of just guessing which one's going to be the best one. But as you know, having the right tool for the job makes such a difference. And so it actually was kind of nice being able to handle all of these things and see what they felt like in use in my hand. And so found some that work pretty well. Sometimes you need that extra leverage, but there are a couple of surprising ones. Like there's one that has this rotary handle on it that actually was really, really comfortable, that I probably would get. And some other ones. And so, yeah, man, Corona has a lot of tools. And today we just looked at the pruning shears, the loppers, some of the snipping tools and things like that. It's unbelievable. They've got wheelbarrows and all sorts of other things. So kind of cool to be able to kind of put some of these things through their paces. All right, well, we're just finishing up here with the photos. Michelle's out in the front doing those. And this has been a lot of fun. You know, it's pretty exciting to be able to share the orchard and be able to use it for some other things. It's fun. Grateful at Corona Tools. Thought it might be nice to shoot some of those product tools out here. It was fun to be the models for that. So hey, next time you're on Corona Tools website or looking at a thing on Amazon, look for this plaid and then you'll know. Or take a look at me, you might recognize one of these trees making a cameo. That was a lot of fun. Anyway, this is kind of a random episode of The Busy Gardener. Thanks for tuning in. Appreciate you doing that. And hey, if you like this channel, if you like what we're doing here and want to see more of it, be sure to subscribe. Hit the notification bell. And that way you'll know when a new video is posted. Hit like if you like it. That'll let me and other people know that you thought it was good. And whether you've got one photo to take with your plants or 500, until next time, stay busy.